So how do we actually play Echoes of Aincrad with controller on our PC? Well, to be able to play it with your controller on your PC, what we need to do firstly is to make sure that we connect it correctly to our PC here. You can see I have a wired controller, but if yours is wireless, then you need to most likely turn it around and see if there's any switcher here to Bluetooth that you have to basically switch to the Bluetooth symbol and be able to connect it here to your PC. I'm just gonna connect it real quick here with my cable. So I'm just gonna insert the cable here, as you can see, and then click on this button to be able to connect it. So now once it's connected here to your PC, then what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna go into Steam. And let's say that this game right here, I'm just gonna take this as an example, obviously, that this one is Echoes of Aincrad. It's gonna look the exact same, by the way. So just click on it, and then in here where it says controller not supported, click on view controller settings, and most likely it will say like this, that you have to enable Steam input. And you just click on enable Steam input. And in here you can also click here and you can click on community layouts and see which one like that will fit you the most. I quite often just take the one that has the most upvotes. This is basically somebody that has made like a perfect template for you to use so that your controller works like good on that specific game. So this should make so that you can actually play with your controller easily. You can also click on the Steam logo in the top left corner. If it doesn't work, click on settings, click on controller here. You can see your controller here, but just click on show advanced settings and make sure to just enable all of those controllers right here, because I don't know which one you have, but for example, Xbox controllers, enable Steam input for those, PlayStation controllers, and so on. So just enable as much as you possibly can, or for your specific controller here, obviously, and then you should be able to play Echoes of Aincrad here with your controller on PC.